Dear students and parents, mathematics is not just a subject, it is a foundation for a bright future. Whether it's for board examination or competitive examinations like JEE, CUET, NDA, ISI, CMI Olympiads, the right teacher can make all the difference. Starting from April 2025, I am fully dedicating my time to shaping young minds in classes 11 and 12, helping them achieve their academic dreams. Let me share a little about my journey in mathematics education. I began my career at Javerian Study Center and PT Sachdeva Training College. No other training institution was there that time in South Kolkata where I stay. From there, I was privileged to teach at some of the finest institutions, including St. Joseph's College, Bowbazar, DPS Ruby Park, and Lakshmipat Singhania Academy, Alipur. At each of these institutions, my focus was always the same to build a strong foundation in board syllabus first and then guide students toward success in competitive exams. Over the years, I have seen students jump into JEE preparation without a solid understanding of fundamental concepts, relying on colorful books filled with formulas, sums, but lacking clarity. But what is the use of preparing for JEE without knowing the ABCD of mathematics? Can you tell me? My teaching strategy is simple but highly effective. I never said that I will not be teaching for competitive exam. I am for that mainly. What I do here, first I ensure a deep understanding of board level topics because board syllabus matters for all competitive exam. It's a fundamental concept you need to know. And your school exam definitely matter. Then I gradually introduce higher level concepts for competitive examinations, ensuring you have the confidence and problem solving skills to succeed. So, you must be knowing my teaching approach. It includes step by step explanation of board syllabus before moving to advanced topics. Gradual introduction to competitive exam syllabus after building a strong foundation. Because in my lab here, it is not laboratory, it is a classroom. I want to see that after learning the concept, you are applying the concept in solve, do sums, mostly on your own. I'll be here to tell you doubts, definitely. Regular problem solving sessions to master JEE, CUET, NDA, and other competitive exams. Hybrid learning model. Attend classes in person in Ballygunge near Gariahat Junction or join from anywhere online. Doubts clearing available throughout the week, not just on class days. I'll be sharing my contact numbers. Send your doubts throughout the day, even at night. Night I sleep, but I'll solve it the very next day. See, every student is different. And that's why I ensure personalized attention in my classes. Whether you are aiming for 95% plus in board exam or top rank in JEE, CUET or Olympiads, I'll guide you every step of the way. So, my dear all of you, choosing the right teacher is one of the most important decisions for your student career, my dear students. If you are looking for expert coaching that covers not only board examination and competitive entrance tests, this is the right place to be. Thank you.